family living that will appeal on St John's Hill. Located in the tree-lined street of Oakland Ave, number 29 is a wonderful 4-bedroom family home. There are generous living areas that enjoy an easy flow to the outside decking via quality ranch sliders, the perfect spot for entertaining friends and family. The kitchen with its breakfast bar and plentiful storage is large and functional, ideal should your entertaining head inside. The light and airy bedrooms are of a good size and, along with the private and practical yard, cater for the whole family. Should garaging be important, then you won't have a problem, with double internal access garaging featuring workshop and toilet. Or if stairs are a concern, then the stair chairlift is ideal to get you up and down. Houses of this size and in this area don't come up often, so call Ritesh today to get your viewing. Ritesh Verma, Wanganui's trusted real estate opinion. Get in touch with Ritesh today at Property Brokers Wanganui on 027 577 7938.